What's up, guys? My name's Vinny, and today we'll react to Fazbear and Friends, me, Allie, and Kazam, Season 2, Episode 2, and this is by ZAMination. So yeah, guys, Episode 2 of Season 2 of Fazbear and Friends came out 2 days ago. Ooh, so I can't wait to see this, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah, looks like Allie and Kazam, they're gonna meet Freddy Fazbear and his friends. So I'm guessing they're from that new characters that I saw. It looks like the Rubik's Cube characters. Ooh, okay, so hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah, the video, be like, share, subscribe to ZAMinimations if you're already. And after you do, let's begin. In 3, 2, 1, go. Alright.
Now that we're all back together,
Oh yeah, I remember this is from episode
episode
1.
Showbiz history.
Yep, everything's going great.
Yep. Freddy.
Business is booming. Man, all the customers are so happy.
Nope.
And if
Yeah.
it's just opening day, can't wait to see how far we'll go in the future.
Dang. This.
Boo.
Oh, hey, the circus baby.
Come on. Yap to me.
It's been 4 years and attendance has only gone down. Selling out is a no-no, striving for quality is bleeding us dry. I just want to make people happy.
Yeah.
Why does it have to be so
My
hard to do the one thing I was
His dream. That's a nice draw.
made for?
Just gotta make lemonade, I guess. My dream was to be a superstar. But then I found you guys and never looked back.
Yeah.
Okay, I still want to be a superstar. Guess I just killed my own point, huh?
No, I get it. I know I should be content with where I'm at. I'm just...
That's nice. She gave him ice cream. That makes you feel bad.
And that's why you should never drink a giraffe. So, Scott!
Oh, what? Oh, there's the car from them.
Scott's?
Oh. Oh, there they are. Oh my god. I love their designs. Yo, these new characters are so cool. Allie. That's them. Allie and Kazam. Yep.
Business partners. LLC.
Great.
Heard all about you on the telly, didn't we, Sugar Cube?
And we're offering you lot.
Oh, that voice. I recognize that voice actor. That's Alice that's Alice who played Uzi and yeah, Uzi and Uzi and some and Evelyn. And also she voiced Mommy from Poppy Playtime.
History.
Oh, no way!
We don't need you or your property damage, wizard.
Among
Hey, let's do them the courtesy of at least hearing them out, you know?
Yeah.
So, what's your pitch?
What? Oh, the dancing.
What the hell?
Oh, a song. Oh, they're gonna perform a song.
And pass the paperwork.
My friend would be in exactly the same position. I'll find the route to make it work. Wrangle the world and run it by the way.
Oh, okay.
With a little bit of magic. You can do anything.
Oh, that's cool.
Proposing. I'm glad you asked. We'll start by dialing it up with some new words.
Ooh, okay, this music.
To wow the crowd and make them sing.
Do you like crackers?
Cause when you're with the magician, you'll find we love the crowd around and make
It's recording. Oh. Oh, all the people. Oh, that's cool. All the people's coming.
with a little flick of magic.
The kids love them. Oh god.
You can do anything.
Where did he put? Oh, there's Freddy. Ooh, this music is kind of catchy.
Live your dream, that's the point of
Eh.
life. Wrangle the world and grab it by the reins. Come on, let's make this
Ooh, okay.
with a little flick of magic.
Gr
You can do anything.
It's a
Ooh.
deal.
We'll think about it.
Okay. Not gonna lie, their song was catchy. I really love that song. I love that.
Wait, huh?
This isn't the sort of decision to rush into, my bear.
Do you truly want to be partners?
I do.
Oh.
Sealed!
Oh. Yay, the futures. Oh, Bluebee. I think Bluebee doesn't try. Wait, what? Oh, what? Why is Among Us? What? Oh, what? Why is he tied up to a TV? Watching a TV? Ducks. Why? What? Oh. Oh, so are those guys probably villains? Gonna be. Oh. Oh my god. Okay. Wow, that ending just got interesting. Oh my god. Ooh, we'll find out what happens next in episode 3 comes out. But this is real. This video was really good. I really love this Fazbear and Friends episode, and I really love the song of this one. Oh my god. Anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Man, this Fazbear and Friends episode was really amazing. I really love those new characters. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoy it. Leave a like, comment down what video want me to react to next. Subscribe to hit the notification bell, follow me, Twitch, and I'll see you guys later or next time. See ya.